And likewise, the location of cities is also very important, because the location of cities is most of the time the part of the assessment, where the students have to label the cities in different provinces. So there are some important cities in each province. In province Sindh, Karachi is the most important city, and Hyderabad is one of the important city in Sindh, and Sakkar is a very important city in Sindh. So in terms of industrialization and agriculture, this is the combination of the cities which are there in Sindh and important cities. In Punjab, there are more number of cities than the cities in Sindh. In Punjab, there is Multan, Lahore, Faisalabad, Gujarat, Rawalpindi, Sialkot, Bahawalpur. These are the cities in Punjab which are important, and which the students must learn how to locate these cities and how to label these cities. So the location of the provinces and location of the cities is very important in this chapter of location of Pakistan. Let's see that in KPK there are some other important cities. In KPK there are not very much important cities or so many other cities, but the number of cities in KPK is less. Peshawar is an important city which can be the part of the assessment to label. Uh, Mardan is an important city in KPK. Then we come to Balochistan. In Balochistan, the important cities are Quetta and Gwadar. Nokkundi is also one of the area which is important, because the questions related to Nokkundi are the part of the assessment. In the past papers, there are questions asking about the Nokkundi, but they are from the chapter of climate. But once we are learning the location of Pakistan, so we from the very beginning must learn the location of the cities also. It will help us a lot in our future, in our other chapters. So once the foundation of the student is strong in labeling the cities and location of the cities of Pakistan, then the other chapters will become easier to label the cities in. Then we see the other assessment questions. They are related to the map, and this assessment question is about a map where there is the line of latitude moving below the land of Pakistan. uh, the questions here are: name the city A. The city A is Karachi, which is close to the border of Balochistan and Sindh, and name the line of latitude B. The line of latitude B, which is passing below the land of Pakistan, is 23.5, the Tropic of Cancer. It is passing from the Arabian Sea, and this is the line which is called the Tropic of Cancer. The third question is: name the province E. The province E is Balochistan. So in this chapter of location of Pakistan, we have observed that most of the time the questions are about labeling the cities, provinces, and the lines of latitude and longitude, naming the line of latitude and longitude according to the degrees. uh, this is important to learn in this chapter. Then there is another question of assessment, and this is the about a map. Study the map of Pakistan, figure 1. Name the city A. So city A is above in Punjab, and city A is Gujarat. And the other question is: state the latitude in degrees north of the line B. The line B is above the tip of Balochistan, so this is 32° north. The line which touches the tip of Balochistan is 30°, and this is above 30°, therefore this is the 32° north. So these are the assessment questions, and these type of questions are usually the part of this topic. Jazakallah. See you with the next topic the next day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.